Welcome to the channel. This is just a quick spur of the moment video. Just drove my Discovery to work and found that this has happened. HDC. I haven't got the suspension fault at the moment, but yesterday it did happen and I had the suspension fault on there as well. I've got to go over a few things that it normally would be, but one thing I've just heard is what can cause this is the brake pedal switch, and I've just heard this, which I've never heard before. I'm pressing the brake pedal, we've got a click. Sounds like it's coming from a relay around here somewhere, and a click at the pedal. So I've got a feeling it could be the brake pedal sensor, but I'm gonna have to investigate that in a bit because it's supposed to be at work at 10. Right, so we've hooked the LR2 car soft up to see if we can find out what all this Christmas tree shite is. We still got that noise. Not sure if it was there before, but it's there now. So let's get through the diagnosis, see if we can find out what's wrong with this thing. I'll cut back in once it's loaded. Oh no, hang on. Still gonna take a look. Oh shit. Let's see what comes up, see what faults we can get in. Don't normally take too long to start it up. I'll pause it until it got finished. Okay, let's have a look what we've got coming up. So we've got the normal exhaust gas, control module communication, bus off, that's a new one. What else we got? ABS. So we've got rear right wheel speed sensor circuit, so that could well be it. So we'll clear that, see if it makes any difference. So it hasn't turned any of the lights off. SRS, nothing in there. Lost communication with ride level control module. Lost communication with parking assist control module. I wonder if this is battery related. So all our lights are still on after that one. Invalid data received from vehicle dynamics control module. Well, none of these seem to be turning it off. Invalid data received from vehicle dynamics control module. All the lights are still on. Body control. Seat height position sensor. Oh, that's jack shit. I'll clear it anyway. It's taking a while to clear that one. I think that's all we need to look at. Let's try that one. Nothing in there. All our lights are still on, so none of that has turned anything off. Clearing all them codes. Let's turn it off. Turn it on again. So we're
still got a fault. Got no fuel whatsoever. So we've still got a fault. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to check the voltage on the battery, and then I'm going to go and pick up a sensor for the brake and try that. So the first thing I'm doing, the issue I'm going for, is the ABS sensor, because that's what came up. So it's just down here. There it is, 8mm. Take the bolt out, give it a wiggle and a pull. That'll come out, and then follow it. Sorry about the light, there's no light as usual. Follow it up to where it connects, and then connect it on. There's the sensor, ABS sensor, speed sensor for the rear wheel. Excuse the mess, I've been welding and grinding on this Disco 2. There it is. So we'll put that on and we'll connect it up, and hopefully that will solve our Christmas tree problem. So, if we follow this wire around, it goes up and over there, and then it goes over here, and it's there, look, this one. So, we'll unhook it from there if we can. Pretty dirty. Might be there. Oh, there we go. And then we'll pull it out of its holders. Out there. We'll pull it round. Up and over. And it's just in some holders along the way down here. I'm sorry about the darkness, but I'm also having to contend with it. And I've unplugged the wrong one. What a cockhead. Right, like I say, apologies for the problems, but the video, the new sensor there runs over the back, around the shock and then into there, so get that plugged in and then fixed all our lights. So that's one thing to look at, as well as the brake light switch under the pedal, but that's the first thing I checked with my computer and came up. So new ABS sensor.